And now look at the other events that took place in the state.
St. Xavier's College felicitated meritorious students of the college. Students who topped the third-year degree course of BCA, BSc, BA, BCom were felicitated. Archbishop Emeritus Gonsalves was the chief guest, whereas Director of Municipal Administration Sandeep Jacks was the guest of honor. Village Groups of Goa has demanded that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar should seek accountability and take action against officials and directors of GIDC board involved in illegalities. They have also demanded that GIDC should set strict guidelines in procedure of application and an allotment of IDC plots, including advertisement of available plots through media with first preference given to Goan citizens.
Officials family member तांचे फ्रेंडांक डायरेक्टर आसात तांचे कंपनी तांचे फॅमिली मेंबरांक हांकां प्लॉट जे दिल्ले आसा ते तांणी चौकशी करूंक जाय कशे दिल्यात आनी हांकां कित्याक दिवचे ते.
Vedanta Foundation and Seza Goa Limited, in collaboration with Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, have been implementing the Vedanta e-Shiksha at schools. The project has targeted 349 schools across 11 blocks of Goa to reach out to children and youth in communities. Certificates were distributed to the students who participated in the summer vacation project. Sange MLA Subhash Fardesai was the chief guest.
ह्या ट्रेनिंगान अराउंड 15 दीस भुरग्यां खातीर कंप्युटर कोर्सा बद्दल म्हायती दिल्ली आनी अशी प्रत्येक तालुक्यान दोन बॅची घेतलेल्यो. वी हॅव कवर्ड ऑल 11 तालुकास एंड दिस 11 तालुकास सगळे कवर केल्ले आसा. इन एडिशन टू दीस आमचे अजून 4 सेंटरां आमी विलेज कंप्युटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स म्हणून सुरू करपाचे आसा. तितूंतले एकाचें इनॉग्रेशन ऑलरेडी वाड्या पंचायतीन जाल्लें आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Goa football clubs might soon be getting a transfer fee for players being bought by the bigger clubs in Goa and even India. Goa Football Association is trying to put out a policy in place that will ensure small clubs in Goa get their due for grooming talent. GFA Vice President Elvis Combs has also suffered a bit with his own club, Konkoli Union, wherein the big clubs absorb his players. Elvis is not against a player career growth, but is of the opinion the clubs should get a transfer fee for the same. This is Goa Velia, a club nestled just off the NH17 that finds its basic infrastructure at the Father Agnel Educational Institution at Pilar. Goa Velia is believed to be a nursery of talent and has produced many a big names who have gone on to don colours for some top I-League clubs. But like Goa Velia, Margaon Sports Club also are a nursery for footballing talent. Margaon SC President Luis Alex Cardozo had requested GFA not too long ago to have a transfer fee for players. Elvis Gomes is of the similar opinion.
I am strongly advocating that situation, and in the earlier meetings we have discussed, and I have said that needs to be done. As a matter of policy, it has to be laid down. Okay. Only we may not have done that. But then, from conscience point of view, also the clubs that take also need to take that into account, that these grassroots clubs nurture these players and bring them up to a certain level. Yeah. And then they are noticed by these clubs and just picked up and taken away. They also should take a call on that and see that clubs are compensated till such time a proper policy is made in this regard.
So it's more of a from a moral point of view that the clubs are giving out this thing. But can we say that JFA is going to look at this matter seriously at this age?
It has to be looked into. Everybody becomes victim. For that matter, my club also has lost so many good players. Not that we want to keep those players behind. It is a question of their career, and we want that these clubs should be picked up by top clubs. But then the clubs must look at the small clubs for compensation.
Okay. Can a policy be passed anytime soon?
We will take it up in this coming meeting.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Panji. Indian-American record-setting astronaut Sunita Williams took off for her second space odyssey on Sunday.
46-year-old NASA astronaut Williams, along with her two colleagues, took off on a Russian Soyuz rocket which blasted off successfully from Kazakhstan. They have started their voyage for a 4-month mission on the International Space Station. Star Bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Have a great week up ahead. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.